Hey guys, today I have WH-1000XM3 by Sony. I believe most of you already know about this or heard of it. It is one of the best noise cancelling headphones out there in the market, even beating Bose. So I know M4 are also out, which is the model after this, but I got it at really cheap rate on Amazon Prime Day, and I'm pretty sure the similar kind of deal is about to come for the Boxing Day sale and Black Friday sale. I paid $300 Canadian, which is equivalent to $228 American, which it's a super cheap. It's a steal. It's a deal. So the deal is here. I don't suggest most people to buy M4 when you can buy M3 for such a cheap rate. Yes, there are a few extra things on M4, which I will talk about in this video. Let's unbox this and find out what's inside. I'm Sujal and you're watching Van Geek. Let's look at the box. We got branding over here, 360 reality sound. It got Google Assistant and Alexa built in. 30 hours of battery. I think it's Bluetooth 5.0, noise cancellation, wireless, and it does have Qualcomm aptX HD, which I really love to see. This is one thing I know Bose is missing. Bose Quiet Comfort 2 is missing. I have to check about if 700 is missing as well or not. Got USB Type C. That's what I want to see. Don't want to see micro USB in 2020. Even if it was 2019, I would have still said the same. Don't want to see micro USB. It does have the airplane adapter, which is quite rare. I don't think so most airplanes even need that anymore. And the one who do, they provide you in the flight. But it's good to have it. Can't complain for anything. They're providing extra. Let's open this up. Slide it open. We got this flap. I love this case. I'm already loving it. Feels really good. This is one of the most premium feel. It better be. These are not cheap. And there was a time some people paid more than $400 for it. You can put your passport in there, maybe some money, all the other important paperwork, boarding pass, so you know all important things are here. You're not gonna lose it, but at the same time you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Up to you. It's for you to decide. But let's unzip this and see what we have inside. Oh, that looks good. So these are our headphones. They are folded properly, so we know now the compact. We know they are pretty compact from this angle. Here are the headphones. Let's put them aside for a second. This is the cable, 3.5 to 3.5. This is better than Bose Quiet Comfort are 2.5 to 3.5. And this one is at a 90-degree angle, which is amazing. I do like it. We got the airplane adapter here. So let's put this back in there. Here's our USB-C charging. I don't know why they give this thing so small. I mean, look at the size of it. Can they give any longer? I mean, how expensive is it? But whatever. I won't be using it. I'm gonna put it back in there. So here's our headphones. Like you can see, they look pretty premium. I know one of the side is touchscreen, not sure which side is it. We got one power button over here, and
And noise cancellation and ambient sound. Ambient sound, which allows you to hear things from outside. And here's the cushion. It actually feels really soft. It is not that memory foam thing, so it pops out right away. I can feel the speaker over here. So I think that's the extra microphones which it uses to cancel out the noise cancellation. Right over here it says made in Malaysia. So it's not made in China, which is a plus point for me. I don't like made in China stuff. That's why I don't carry an iPhone. Actually, there are more than multiple reasons why I don't carry an iPhone. But that's one of them. We got NFC logo here, which is amazing. So now you know you can just connect easily with NFC. Here's the USB-C port. Another power indicator. Now let's try to connect it to my phone. Now let's power this on and pair it with my phone. You have to hold the power button to turn it on. Go to Bluetooth. It popped up right away with the logo, which is good. And it is connected. Now make them yaw with Google Assistant. Let me activate Google Assistant with them. Boring stuff. Press and hold the Google Assistant button while talking. When you finish, let go. Try saying what's the weather. Looks like they have an app as well. Let me download the app and update the firmware. So here's the app. Looks pretty neat. It can detect that I'm staying. I am staying right now. And all these options looks pretty good. It gives you a lot of options, I must say. I'm quite impressed. Equalizer is there. You can choose, you want to give priority to the quality of the sound or to the connection. You can optimize your sound as per your need. Right now it's optimizing the sound. And looks pretty good. Wow, I can actually feel the huge difference in noise cancellation. It optimized for my ear and I can feel it. It's day and night different, guys. It's just a mind-blowing amazing. These are some other settings, not something that crazy. But yeah, here's the app and it looks pretty good. Okay, so let me put this down. So I tested the sound quality of it and as well as noise cancellation. And let me tell you something. It is just amazing. So when I'm working, my neighbors have a baby and that lady pops out a new kid every year. I'm not even kidding. I'm not exaggerating. She got like 6 or 7 kids and one stops crying, the other one starts crying. And because of that, it's really hard for me to concentrate. And that's the reason why I got it. Fortunately, I had a chance to try it on when the baby was crying, because the baby was crying literally a few seconds ago. And it doesn't completely cover the sound, but it does muffle enough that it stops bothering me. And then if I play any soothing music, it's completely gone. It's nowhere in the picture. And that's the reason why I bought it, and it's working on that. Rest I tested on airplane sound, COVID. I can't really go into flight to test it out. But I played it on YouTube, the sound of an airplane, and it completely, I'll say 95% of the sound was gone. It's just amazing how this thing works. Obviously, you do not expect it to be completely gone. You can still hear things around you. It just muffles it up so much. And if you play any kind of music on top, even at the lowest volume, it's going to be completely gone. You won't be able to notice it if you want to use it for work, if you want to use it in office, working from home.
your family is noisy, your neighbors are noisy, like in my case, it gonna work amazingly. One of the greatest thing in noise cancellation is you don't hear any hiss sound when you're not playing any music. This problem is there in most of the headphones, including Bose. So that is amazing if you don't want to hear any music. If you do, you can play it on really low volume and concentrate on your work. It's just an amazing product. About sound quality, it's just mind-blowing. Yes, there is a little bit of difference in when I'm using this card or when I'm using Bluetooth connection, but it's hard to notice. I was doing it side by side just for testing purpose, that's why I'm able to notice it, but I know majority of you won't be able to notice the difference in wireless and wired. Sound quality is amazing. It is mind-blowing sound quality. All the ones I've tested so far, I think this is the best one. I believe even in terms of sound quality, these are top 10 list. And in terms of noise cancellation, these are the best of best. There's nothing better than these. The only one better than these is M4, which are really tiny bit better. So I won't suggest anyone paying extra for noise cancellation. You can pay extra for the features. And now I'm gonna come to the feature what's better in the next version, which is not in this. And what's bad about these guys. This probably gonna bother you a lot and it may change your decision for buying these. And you may end up spending more. And this is the only feature. Maybe it's not gonna bother you. It didn't bother me much because I do not use this feature. But most of the people I know, they would like to have the feature which this product is unfortunately missing, which is connecting to two different devices and changing back without disconnecting from one. You cannot do that on these guys. You can do it on Bose. You can do it on M4, the newer version, but on these guys, you just can't. It's a hassle. You have to disconnect it from one device and then reconnect it to the other device. Say if you're going to office, first you have to disconnect it from your phone and then connect it to your laptop. Not the best way, but you're spending a good amount of money if you are ready to do that. Other than that, it is just an amazing piece of hardware. Now let's come to the mic quality, and for that I'll let you decide it.
So here's the mic test in a quiet environment. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. How do I sound? Comment down below and let me know. And here's the mic test in a noisy environment. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. How does it sound? How does the mic noise cancellation work in a noisy environment? Comment down below and let me know.
So that's it, guys. This is really amazing. I'm in love with them. I can keep them on for a really long period of time. They do have your on-body detection as well. So if you put them on and remove them, they do all the things, fancy things your Apple EarPod does. I'll say even better because they can even detect when you're sitting, when you're standing, when you're walking. For me, I found that they didn't work that well. Sometimes I decided to stand there idle for a minute and the settings changed. Suddenly it turned on the noise cancellation, then it turned it off. I'm gonna keep that setting off for now because I want full control to it. I don't want it to decide. It's not that intelligent, unfortunately. But the rest for noise cancellation, this is just amazing. For sound quality, it's wonderful. You cannot go wrong with these guys. And with all the sales coming, and I'm pretty sure you'll be getting a good sale on Boxing Day as well as on Black Friday. So watch out for that. These are the best noise cancelling headphones, except yeah, M4 are better than these, but for the value, for the money, these are amazing. Do buy them if you get a good sale. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon. I'm Sujal, and you are watching Van Geek.